All right, folks, good afternoon, everybody. You got the Wolfman here at Thunder Valley CB Shop. We just fixed up just Gentleman's Radio, and guys, you got to look at this truck. It is absolutely beautiful. Got airbags on it, custom pinstripes. Look at this. This truck is absolutely beautiful. Let's take a quick look at the inside here. Look at this. More pinstriping. This is a beautiful truck, guys. And you got the American flag mic keeper. Got his radio up there. This is so pretty. All right, guys, now we're going to meet the owner. This is Mark from Minnesota. All right, hey, thanks for stopping by and giving me a chance to work on your radio. I appreciate it.
You bet. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right, guys, enjoy this truck, man.
Don't mind the bugs.
Yeah, it happens when it's a working truck. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. God bless.